In regards to automation, um, companies need to automate in today's society. If they're not automating today, they're going to be left behind tomorrow. 5, 6 years ago, companies looked at us when we brought up the automation portion of it, and they called us crazy. Can't be done was the term that was used. Now they finally are seeing, companies of ours, that this can be done. By utilizing templates, this automation can be done when it comes to manufacturing. The common term that we heard was, we don't do the same parts over and over again. We'd always do different parts. What's like building a recipe when you cook? You never start from the beginning. You always start with a recipe. A template is a recipe in order to do manufacturing. And this is where the automation portion is so important, because now I can manufacture faster, more accurate. I can repeat the quality over and over again because it has already been proven. And this is where automation really becomes such a powerful area, or such a big pillar of manufacturing, that automation is an absolute must for companies in today's world.